In this video, I'm going to show you how to make modifications to your settings. The first thing to note is that you may have a drop-down that says individual or has a team name. If you see this option, this means that you can accept bookings as an individual or as part of a team. You can use this to set different settings for different profiles. Below here, your settings are going to show the industries for which you're enabled. Let's say you don't work for a certain industry or form. All you need to do is just uncheck the box next to its name and click the Save button. You can do the very same thing with form types. And if you're not sure what each form represents, please contact your merchant for an explanation. When submitting the request, you may be asked to provide a reason for the change. If so, just enter some text into the field and then click Submit. The merchant will get your request, at which point they can approve or deny it. If approved, the unselected industries and forms will be removed from your settings, and you will no longer receive those types of jobs. Now let's go over to the Forms tab to see what sorts of options we have available. You can see that each industry and form you are enabled for is displayed as a tab. You can switch in between forms and industries by clicking on their names. You can either go through the settings for each form and industry individually, or you can click on the Quick Add button and make a mass change to all of your industries. The Quick Add tool works in the same manner that your regular settings do. You just check the box next to whichever setting you would like to enable for a change, and then check the boxes next to the options for which you want to receive jobs. For example, this option asks if we should turn on multiple appointments per booking spot for this form. While this option might make sense for someone like a dog walker, it probably wouldn't work for a cleaning professional, so we'll go ahead and turn that off. Then we have our frequencies. If you want to take bookings of different frequencies, you would go ahead and check the boxes next to each frequency that you'd like to take on. This next setting pertains to pairing or putting together two or more individuals to create a temporary team. If you are open to this, then you should select yes, otherwise select no, so you can't be paired with other providers. Following this, we have different service categories and pricing parameters. If you didn't want to work on homes with 3 total bathrooms, you would uncheck the box next to 3 under the bathrooms section, or we can uncheck all options over 2,000 square feet under the square foot section. Your pricing parameters may look very different than these, but hopefully you get the general concept. Now, at the bottom of this section here, we have our locations. If you service a location, then you can check the box next to its name. A pop-up will appear and show all the zip codes located within that location. If you want to select all, you can then go and uncheck specific zip codes that you don't want to service. Just be sure to click the blue Save button once you make your changes. And then at the very bottom of the settings section, click Save to save all of your setting choices. Enter a reason for your update, and click Submit. Hopefully this video has helped with learning how to use this section of your account. Thanks so much for watching.